yeah, okay. Let's go talk to these guys. Where'd you go? Oh man, you're right there. Here, I'm gonna hook you up. Come here. For some reason, she didn't eat this morning, but I brought a little chicken dinner, so she's gonna like chicken dinner. Oh yeah, sit down. Wait, sit. You gotta sit. Yeah? Get down, wait. Well, I know it doesn't look very good, but it smells like chicken. It smells like chicken to me. Rinse that out. Because you're a finicky water drinker. She'll sit and bark for fresh water. And you get over there's a couple little of her own slobber bits in there. All right. Now I think I better bring 2 saws. But enough. Lay down. Definitely need some oil. Very easy to forget about the oil in these things. You know, you're never adding gas, so it's easy to forget about the oil. But your chain will pay dearly for it. You're gonna have to lay down. All right. Get stuff in your eye. Hey, you guys stay here. I'm gonna go in the truck and you're gonna stay here, all right? Hey, look at me. I'll be back, okay? You stay right here. You lay down, take a nappy, okay? You lay down, take a nappy. Wait. Nobody taking a nap today except the dog. All right, I'm gonna do some judicious pruning here. Wow. Why didn't you guys remind me to put the outriggers down? Wow. I have not been in the bucket truck for a long time. And it shows. Now I'm going to make sure it moves before I climb in there again. All right. Quiet. I should have had a controller here. Quiet. Sophie, lay down. I told you to take a nap. She's laying down now. She's laying down and barking. All right then, I'll lay down, but I'm not gonna stop barking. Take your mirror off, Kev. There you go. Hammage already. The one thing I don't mind about the bucket truck is I don't have to step on anything to move it. Boom. She's not at all happy with this scenario. I should have gave her a headset. We could talk her down. Yeah. Sophie, stop it. Lay down. Stop it. Quiet. Quiet. Sophie, quiet. Ash is rock hard. Bingo. Alright. Get this a little shorter so I don't come down on top of it. Some bucket baby's gonna be watching me on YouTube and be criticizing me to death. You're doing it all wrong. You don't know how to run a bucket truck. Probably a true statement. I thought Taylor would appreciate climbing all those. Come on, baby. Get them all. Get them all. Get them all. Wow. Got to come over pretty good on that. These little hickory leaves look like marijuana leaves. Shorter on this side than I am on this. go. Nice shot. So I wanted that hinge to be narrower here. So I made sure I was coming in at this angle. If any of you remember the guilty treason video where I zipped the backside of my hinge, I should have been doing that on there, like coming in and finishing on the backside that I can't see. And then the log would start moving and you know you're there. So there's a good picture of that hinge. Narrower on the near side. I came in like this, knowing that I wanted more on the back side, and then you finish over there and it comes off and you got the right hinge. All right. Okay, we got the double. And then what we're gonna do here is basket this. All right. What am I doing? I said I was gonna basket it, not choke it. Okay, we're gonna basket this. So we got double the strength on that compared to a, you know, a choke. So we got two slings up there. We got this one basketed. And I'm gonna do that one better. Let's basket that. And come over on this side. Away from me. Okay. All right. There we go. Now it'll, when it comes down, it'll pull it that way a little bit. Okay, same thing. And shake that a little bit. All right. Now we can just come down here. Oh, got the grill. Oh, got the grill. Dog. Oh, mercy. That's what you call negligence. Man, I don't think I damaged the grill, but I played with it and I didn't have to. Time to see where exactly I was going. That was, you know, an aspect of my personality that I could use a little bit more melancholy in me, a little bit more fear. And now it's fulcrumed farther that way where I want to push it. So it's, you know, over halfway through that way. So it's hinging, so to speak, although it's not a hinge, it's a brake cut. I could hinge these too if it wasn't so straight up and down. I'd hinge it. Saw's a little dull, it's got the crooked. it. Oh, got the top. Wow. A hinge would have been better. There's no felling line on here. This is I think we'll be okay. On this side first, finish on the back side. Okay, so I wanted the butt to come off, so I kept coming, and then I broke. But I was cutting there too. And then that broke off, the butt went and pulled it out of those trees. So I'm looking over there, I don't see a lot of broken branches on that hickory. I don't know that I see a ash twig in there. But I don't see any broken branches. Look at that. So you get the butt to come off and pull it out of those trees. So it just lays in the top of those trees, and then the butt pulls it out. And there's really, no damage on those hickories. I don't see a single broken branch. Hey Mike, I used this saw the other day and I left it in my Suburban and you never sharpened it. How come? That's a technicality. Wow, this... Because it's not even cutting straight, and I'm not particularly happy. Yeah, I know, and then I'm on dead ash with a dull saw. That's I got a nice sharp 562 in the truck. I should have grabbed that one. Nice flat landing. Oh, that dog is bothering me. She does not like this bucket truck. Look at Taylor. Look at Taylor's coming. Oh, there he is. Yeah, Taylor's coming. Yeah, that's called hamage. He was trying to bring her up by the other place, but she didn't want to go because Alpha is down here. Not gonna leave Alpha. That's what Lisa calls me. It took 35 years of marriage and getting a dog for my wife to finally start calling me Alpha. She actually did it directly one day. She like said Alpha to me. I'm like, it's happened. It was a plot all along. That's why I wanted a dog. It happened just as I foresaw it. What a joke. Yeah. Anyways, surely I jest. But she didn't want to refer to me as dad or daddy to the dog, so she picked Alpha. It was all Lisa's idea. It wasn't my idea. So, come on. All right. We gotta go get the other camera. Okay? Yeah, yeah. Yeah, she looks up. You know what's funny is that she barks at raptor birds. She doesn't bark at any other birds. But if a vulture flies over the yard or a red hawk, she's just like, get away from my lambs.
You know, it's a predatory one.
Yeah. Vulture flew over and she was like laying down, quiet. All of a sudden she jumps up and starts barking. I look at her, I look up and there's a vulture. Like, wow. I should have brought her dog harness. We could have hooked her to a sled and dragged sleds. Here, come here. Hey, hey. Come here, right here. Heel. He's driving out. Okay, now you can come back in. Thanks for coming by, Sophie.
Yeah, it's a pretty cool place.
Yeah.
Opened it up a little bit more.
Yeah, definitely. So we got Sophia and we got Sophie. Sophie goes with Taylor. There's Sophie and Sophie right there.
Where's mine?
And the game of trees.
There's always a risk when you're playing the game of trees.